The straight Elegance fabric banner tabletop is an impressive way to showcase any message from your event table. It comes with a carrying case that stores the entire display easily. All tube frame parts are numbered for easy assembly. First, insert one of the small black bolts up through the bottom of one of the feet and place the first small bolt using the Allen key to tighten the foot connector tube and bolt together. Insert one of the large silver bolts through the corresponding hole on the outside of the connector piece you attached to the foot. Repeat this with the other bolt and frame connector tube. Take the frame tube that is labeled 5 and insert it into the side of the foot connector tube and use the push pin to lock it into place. Repeat this step with the frame tube labeled 4 with the other foot connector tube to create the bottom crossbar of the display. Next, take the frame tube labeled 6 and connect it to the matching frame tube from the foot connecting tube. Use the push pin to lock it into place. Take the L-shaped frame tube labeled 7 and connect it to the top of the frame tube you just installed with the 6 label. Use the push pin to lock it into place. Lastly, take the last 2 tube frames and connect them into the L-frame tube connectors and into the middle crossbar and use the push pins to lock the entire frame into place. Once your whole frame is assembled, take your stretch fabric banner and slip it over the frame. Pull it all the way over gently and use a zipper to lock it into place under the bottom of the frame, and your straight Elegance tension fabric tabletop is ready to display. You can easily attach optional LED clamp-on lights from post-up stand to highlight the dye sublimated printed graphics of your straight Elegance tension fabric tabletop when you are ready to display.